Hey America, Mark.Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2017 pre-owned Thor Axis 24.1. Kind of a rare little bird to come in a pre-owned model, so let's go in and see what it has to offer. Now this is one of the fun floor plans that Thor offers in these 24.1s, be it the Access or the Vegas, but this one is the Access. Nice little couch with the recliners out here in this particular model. Coming in, the flooring, easy cleanup, and we do need to clean this one up because it just came in with the spots right here to put your tables into, which is really cool. And over here you have the kitchen area, little leaf coming up off there, the sink, the Moen faucet, 3-burner stove top. Look at all these drawers right here. A lot of storage in that in this model. Kind of a wicker flavor in the decor right there. Looks very nice. You do have the convection microwave right here, the high point, the hood right here, and a nice little backsplash. This is a great coach. Now let's come on back here. You got the refrigerator and the freezer, which is a Norcold to go with that. And here you have a wardrobe and or a storage place, whatever the case may be. Now I want to show you this, and I'm going to open this up, and then you can come right around here. I'm going to shut this door. Look at how big this bathroom becomes and the ambient lighting in there. So the bathroom doubles in size when you open these doors. It's pretty awesome. It gives you a lot of room to, after you shower, you know, to get out, whatever the case may be. But it opens up and it blocks off the bedroom and the living area. Now coming back into the bedroom, I love this floor plan. You have twin beds. So let's say you're single, you want to take off in this coach. You have this, you can actually put this in the middle and make it a king size bed if you like. Or if you have pets and they're traveling with you, they can have their own bed and you can have this bed. But it accesses these cabinets very nicely because you come right down the middle and you can reach them all. So it's pretty cool. And you do have the big TV here. This is a great floor plan, very popular, very rare to find one used. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. First and foremost, I see that this is a huge bed that drops down so that if you have some other guests, they can have a spot to stay for the night, or you can keep it up there and keep valuables in there and lock it up so that nobody can get in there, or nobody needs to know at all that you have it, and you can just keep it a secret. Coming up here into the cockpit, nice little area. This is on the Ford, so you have cruise control at the fingertips. You have right here you got your nightshade, so that'll bring that down. You cover it up right there. You got the curtains that come around and block this whole thing off at nighttime. Generator start right there. You do have an emergency start, so you can tie the chassis battery to the house batteries in the event that one of them goes dead. Heater, all this stuff. You have your CD player right here and your stereo all right there. Here's a cool little feature right here. If I can pull this up and over, you have a little desk that you can look at maps, or you can put a TV dinner right there, whatever the case may be. What I like about these coaches is the visibility. This is a Class A model, by the way, is the visibility just going down the road. So that's part of the pleasure, but it's also part of the safety. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. No electric step coming out, so there's no way that that thing can go bad on you, you lose a motor or anything like that. In this coach, you're going to have a TV right here, so you're going to have the automatic awning up above. Coming out, you sit out here, football game, Oregon Ducks, Oregon Beavers. This is a great coach for that. You have the frameless windows. Of course, there's your refrigerator, your furnace. This does have a tankless water heater right there. Now, here's one of the things I like about this 24.1, and that is this storage area back here. It is huge, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. If you go into Arizona and you like to collect rocks, just throw them in there, bring them home to Oregon. Wouldn't that be great? I think it would be. Bring me some. You do have the ladder accessing the top, so you can get up there, take care of the air conditioner, the sealant around each and every component up there, whatever you got to do. It's a maintenance thing, so don't just go up there and dance around. Although on the 4th of July, it's a great place to watch the fireworks from. There's your window. Oh, look at this. These guys were Oregon State University fans. Isn't that great? Okay, this does have a nice bumper. You're going to have on this coach, this is an 8,000-pound hitch, so you could possibly tow a little bit more if you don't have as much weight in the coach. Another area right here accessing the side, like well, if it's open, there it is, and it just locks up there. So that's the other side. So you can get stuff in from both sides. Pretty cool. It's going to have a 4,000 watt generator on this unit, and I believe this might be it right here. Yeah, it is. You have a marine cord here, and you have a little thing for your cable right there. Outdoor shower for your pets. If they get their feet dirty in the sand or something, you can hose them down right there. Nice slide in this coach. A little bit of storage underneath, but the big main storage is in that back. But look at this, here is your cameras that show a 30-degree angle coming down the side, so any bicyclists or something will be a little bit safer when you're on the road. If this coach is of interest to you or any of the coaches we have on the campus, please give me a call. Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the Guaranty RV number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.